Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today we have BoxyCharm, the regular one. I didn't think this was gonna come. BoxyCharm is $25 a month now, opposed to the $21 it used to be. Beauty subscription, you get a range of beauty, skincare, hair care, blah, 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 blah. If you don't know what BoxyCharm is, there will be a playlist down below. You're more than welcome to delve into that. Let's see, do I have any life updates really quick before I get started? Not really. I'm still just getting better. I still can't hear anything, and I still have pain in this ear. But I do seem to be on the upswing because I actually had the energy to sit down and record this today. And I have the energy to edit it today and get it up today. I'm not forcing myself at all. So that is a huge plus in my book. Any other life updates since the ones that I gave at the beginning of or in the middle of the week? None. Let's see. My t-shirt is one of my favorite gay pride shirts, and it says "Make America Gay Again." It's one of my all-time favorite shirts that I have gotten at gay pride, so I do love the shirt, even though I'm shedding all over it. Okay, so let's see what we've got in BoxyCharm. For me, BoxyCharm is probably one of my all-time favorites. It's the one that I've been getting the longest. Aside from Ipsy, I absolutely love BoxyCharm. The months are hit and miss for me, but generally I like it. So, I mean, it's never for me been so bad to where I'm like, I'm gonna quit. Kind of like Ipsy Ultimate. Anyway, let's get into BoxyCharm. Let's see if we got a card today. We got a card, and we got the prices. Surprise, surprise. I open it up. Now, I did unbox my Boxy Premium earlier. When was that? Last week? I think it was last week. It was during a live. I did it during a live. Just for a chit chat sort of a thing. That'll be linked down below too if you're interested. But this is what I see when I open up. Now, I got one of these makeup eraser things in my premium, but I did not actually get a makeup eraser, and I got one in here. I don't think this is full size, but that's fine. That's what that looks like. I know that this is not a full size unless they have decided to redo their packaging, because I have an original makeup eraser, and I actually, the packaging is actually like this long. So it's like a full-sized washcloth. So I don't know if they just maybe folded it up a little smaller. I haven't seen this packaging. I'm not gonna take it out, but I will tell you what I will do with this, because I told you guys the other day that I had a makeup eraser. I don't remember when I told you that. I mostly give them away in the giveaways that I do, but I've had one original makeup eraser for years. It's been in the same packaging under my sink. It hasn't been opened. And I found the perfect place for it, because I told you guys, I don't use it. I have one, I've never used it, blah, 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 blah. I found the perfect place for it. And that is in the bug out bags. So this one will be an additional makeup eraser that goes in the bug out bag, and not as a makeup eraser, of course, but just as a wash rag that only needs water opposed to soap. So I thought that was a huge plus. So the original makeup eraser, the original makeup eraser retails for $22. Now, I don't know if that's this one or a full-size one. Like I said, again, I don't know if this is full-size or not. I don't feel like this is a full-size, but I don't know. I mean, I'm sure it's just a smaller. Anyway, okay. The next thing I am pulling out are these brushes. Now, I saw one BoxyCharm unboxing I'm not sure if it was regular BoxyCharm or premium, but I did see these brushes, and when I saw them, I fell in love with them. I did not get these in my premium. I will be keeping these brushes. They are eye brushes, and you guys know I love to collect eye brushes. Ooh, these are so, I absolutely love the coloring of these. These take me straight back to the 80s. But anyway, those are the tips on those brushes. My lighting is starting to go away, you guys. And then this one, the green one, has a spoolie at the end of it. I absolutely think these are so gorgeous. They do kind of feel a little cheap. But I will keep those. I think they're super cute. Let's see. Those retail for $30. If I saw these in the store, I would not pay. Like if I was able to pull them, touch them, feel them, I would not pay $30 for these. But I didn't, so that's cool. The next thing I am pulling out is the Iconic London Illuminator. I am not going to open this because I do not prefer liquid highlighters. I could not get that word out. I do not prefer liquid highlighters, but this retails for $41. Huh. It says it could be added to your foundation, primer, or moisturizer, or simply use it on its own for a super highlighted glow. So that is something I've never done. I have oily and sensitive skin, so I don't know. There's something about adding more to my foundation that helps control acne. To me, that just seems counterproductive. So I have never added liquid highlighting to anything that actually goes on my face, and I wouldn't, just because I don't want my face to be broken out. But as far as just a highlighter, I think it's a really pretty color, and I will pass that along. The next thing I am pulling out is the Professional Pore Primer, and I'm assuming that this is a full size. It looks like a full size just because I've had a lot of the minis, and it's way bigger than the minis. I'll pull it out. Is that tinted? The Professional Pore Primer by Benefit. So if I look at the stripes, I don't know if those are see-through or if that's just the color of the packaging. So I don't know if this is actually tinted or not. I'm not going to open it. I'm trying to think, have I used this primer? I know I've gotten minis. I can't recall if I've actually used it, and I'm pretty dead set on my Too Faced Hangover primer. So that's the one that it's my tried and true. I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet. I'll think about it. Maybe I should whip out one of the minis and try them on my face before I decide what I want to do with that. That would probably be a really good idea. Let's see. That retails for $32. I mean, I think that's about what I pay for my normal primer, so I'm not going to complain about that. Ooh, Elemis. This is a really good brand. Okay, so this is a cleansing foam, a superfood cleansing foam. I will try this. I use Fresh products for my face cleaning products, my makeup remover. I have other things. I have some things from the Balm. I would like to try this. I will have to read the ingredient list before I do, but this retails for also $32. That's cool. I really like the packaging. I wonder if I can smell it. I can't smell it through the lid or through the nozzle, but it's Calming Micellar Cleanser. Calming, which tells me that it might be for sensitive skin. So I am definitely excited to try this. I am going to keep it, going to try it, blah, 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 blah. All right, you guys, that was regular BoxyCharm. I'm happy with it. I'm really happy with it. I got something from a bug out kit. I pretty much like everything in it. I mean, I'm willing to try this. The only thing I'm not like super thrilled about, I shouldn't even say that. I think it's a nice product. I think it's a pretty product. I really like the glass, but it's not for me because it's a liquid highlighter and that's just not my thing. But I mean, other than that, I thought this was a really good box. I enjoyed my BoxyCharm. I hope you guys enjoyed this BoxyCharm. I hope that this took you out of whatever you're dealing with right now. I hope that this gave you a little bit of a reprieve and you enjoyed this unboxing and spending time with me today. That's it. I hope you guys have a great day. Have a great weekend. It's Friday. Have a great weekend. Bye. Oh wait, I do still plan on, like as of right now, my head is clear and I do still plan on doing a get ready with me sometime next week. I'm thinking next Friday, just as a warning, next Friday. I'm thinking that that's when I'm going to do it, if I'm gonna do it. So hopefully the weather is really good. All right, you guys, that's it. Have a great day.